Welcome to a Cardiac Science AED demo. Easy to use and always rescue ready. Two key factors when it comes to choosing an automated external defibrillator, commonly known as AED. Powerheart AEDs from Cardiac Science give you the power to save a life with advanced AED technology that is user-friendly and reliable in the face of an emergency. The Powerheart AED G3 Plus is available in fully automatic operation, one that will automatically deliver a shock when needed, or semi-automatic operation, one that requires the user to press a button to deliver the shock. Only the Powerheart G3 Plus features Rescue Coach technology, clear voice prompts to guide the user calmly through the rescue process and provide instructions for defibrillation and CPR, according to the most up-to-date American Heart Association and European Resuscitation Council guidelines. An easy-to-follow metronome assists with the proper timing of chest compressions and breaths during CPR. The Powerheart AED G3 Plus also includes a screen that displays text prompts, which might be helpful in loud rescue environments or for rescuers who are audio challenged. The text screen also allows EMS professionals to view up-to-date rescue information once they arrive on scene. Defibrillation pads are interchangeable and can be attached in either chest position, which removes any guesswork so life-saving therapy can be delivered quickly. Designed for use with Cardiac Science AEDs, pediatric electrode pads provide reduced defibrillation energy for children and infants up to 8 years old or up to 55 pounds. Our patented RescueReady technology performs daily, weekly, and monthly self-tests to ensure that critical AED components are always working properly. When the status indicator is green, your Powerheart AED is rescue ready. All Powerheart AEDs are warranted for 7 years, the industry's best assurance plan, and provide a full 4-year battery replacement guarantee. These key features make Powerheart AEDs the best choice on the market. It happens in a heartbeat, sudden cardiac arrest, claiming more than 460,000 lives each year. Without immediate intervention, only 1 in 20 will survive sudden cardiac arrest. Cardiac Science is helping to improve sudden cardiac arrest survival rates with their easy-to-use, dependable Powerheart AEDs. Here's a quick demonstration of the Powerheart AED G3 Plus Automatic. Simply open the lid to turn on the AED. Voice and text prompts will guide you through the rescue process.
Stay calm. Follow these voice instructions. Make sure 911 is called now. Begin by exposing patient's bare chest and torso. Remove or cut clothing if needed. When patient's chest and torso are exposed, remove square foil package from lid of AED. Tear open foil package across dotted line and remove pads. Next, separate one of the white pads completely from blue plastic liner. Begin peeling from the tabbed corner. Firmly place the pad without the liner on the patient exactly as illustrated. This pad can be placed on either of the 2 locations shown. Next, peel the blue plastic liner off of the second white pad. Firmly place the second pad on the opposite location exactly as illustrated. Do not touch patient. Analyzing heart rhythm. Please wait.
If a shock is advised, the voice prompt will say,
"Preparing shock. Move away from the patient. Shock will be delivered in 3, 2, 1. Shock delivered."
It is important to note that the Powerheart AED G3 Plus has been designed to only deliver a shock when one is needed. You cannot accidentally shock someone. For instance, when the AED is ready to shock but detects a positive change in the heart rhythm, it cancels the shock and you will hear,
"Rhythm changed. Shock canceled."
Following a shock, the prompt will say,
"It is now safe to touch the patient."
Then you will be instructed on how to perform CPR. The voice and text prompts with built-in metronome make it very easy to administer CPR.
When instructed, give patient 30 rapid compressions. Then give 2 breaths. Place heel of one hand on center of chest between nipples. Place heel of other hand directly on top of first hand. Lean over patient with elbows straight. Press the patient's chest down rapidly, 1/3 depth of chest, then release. Start CPR. Press, 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 press.
At the end of the compressions, you will hear,
Stop compressions.
the AED will then continue with the prompt, repeating.
Give breath. Give breath.
This cycle will continue until the CPR time expires. At the end of the CPR period, the AED will analyze the heart rhythm, and voice prompts will direct you to deliver additional shocks and continue CPR if required. You can help save a life with the ease and dependability of a Powerheart AED. To schedule an in-person demonstration, call Cardiac Science at 1-800-426-0337. Thank you for viewing a Cardiac Science AED demo.